At the Note 20 Unpacked event on August 5, Samsung also made the Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G official. As in, the foldable got plenty of stage time and press images were released, but it wasn't strictly announced, with detailed specs and prices all. A few promo videos followed, and then a shady hands-on clip the day after, with another one a couple of days ago. Joining these now is a newly leaked full video ad. It goes over key features of the Z Fold 2 5G, starting with its phone-tablet duality. You can have it all and do it all on this one. The 7.6 ultra-thin glass display with 120Hz refresh rate features adaptive flex mode for hands-free photo and video capture and is a boon for multitasking. Wireless DeX also gets another plug, announced with the Note 20. It's now been rolled out to older Galaxies. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 cases leak on Samsung Bulgaria website. Ever since Samsung announced the Galaxy Z Fold 2 at its Unpacked event, we've been counting the days until Samsung is expected to announce the full specifications and availability of the Galaxy Fold's successor, expected to happen on September 1. In the meanwhile, Samsung has updated its Bulgarian website with the self-branded cases coming for the Z Fold 2. A leather cover comes in 3 colors: black, brown, and green. The brown one is the correct match for the Mystic Bronze color. The lining of the case is made from a soft microfiber texture. The other case is called the Aramid standing cover, and it has an integrated kickstand for watching content on the front display. This standing cover is only available in black. Like the leather cover, neither case offers protection for the front half of the phone. We wonder what the reason for ignoring the front display of the phone is. Samsung spent so much time and money developing a larger external display for the Z Fold 2, so why offer cases that don't protect it at all? Samsung makes 2-piece official cases for the Samsung Galaxy Fold and the Galaxy Z Flip. So, to give Samsung the benefit of the doubt, we are just going to assume that more cases with better protection are coming, and they just haven't been inadvertently posted to any of Samsung's websites just yet. So guys, what do you think of these new cases? Are they worth of buying? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. And as always, please do consider subscribing my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.